Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the JOHOs. Now today is part 2 in our craft cabinet build. So if you forget what it looked like before, here's what it looked like before. Now we also have a video, I will link that as well if you want to catch the before process and kind of our planning process. So today what we need to do is we need to clear all this stuff out. I'm going to actually paint over this. I need to take the baseboard off, well, I as in Mark needs to take the baseboard off. We need to get all this stuff out and let's get to it. Yeah, I need to get my paint clothes on though first, so let me do that. All right, let's do this.
Stuff is precious, gotta save it.
Yeah, right? Whew. So, the reason why I'm painting over my arch wall, other video, is because the way it's situated, what I did was I painted it according to the shelf that I had here originally, the shelf unit thing. So we've gotten rid of that, or using it somewhere else in the house. So I need to get rid of this for now. Not sure if it's coming back or not. I love it still, don't get me wrong. I think it'll match the whole aesthetic once we're finished of what I have in mind here. So I need to take this off. I might even just leave the little screws in there, the, what do you call them? The plugs. But I do need to take this off. Paint, I don't have to worry about the baseboards because they're gone. And yeah, I'm just gonna paint over it with this paint that I already have. And yeah. Using a small roller too, so don't come at me for that because you know me and big rollers. I don't like them. I don't like the cleanup. So yeah, BRB, I need to get on the stuff. There we go. I hate taking these things out. Handy little hack, even though it's not the nicest to have to deal with after, but see these little plugs here? This one I've kind of butchered, but I think I'm gonna try to get that out. But what you do, actually, you know what, let me try on the one that so screw in the screw, like just with your hands, it doesn't have to be all the way up. Screw it back into the plug, and pretty good here, you can see this. Take your pliers, because it's in there pretty good, and let's hope that you wiggle it a bit and pull. Whew, got it. See, it leaves a nasty hole, but what you do is you just push the drywall back into the hole, so you can't really, I mean, you can still feel it, but it's not as bad. And then I'll show you how to take the putty and cover up the holes. Goodbye, arch wall. Sad to see you go. Sad to see you go. Maybe I'll see you again. Ew. No, I'm a bad singer. I know it. I don't even care. I'm just laughing. If my dad's watching this, he's horrified when I use these little paintbrushes. I know that he is on the wall. He's just never really said anything. I know that you are, Dad. Horrified. This looks like a big ghost. I'm leaving it to see what Mark says when he comes inside. That's funny. Now I just have to wait, and I need, probably by the time this is dry, the paint will be dry. If not, it's not a big deal. I'll just sand this off, give it a quick one over. I'm just gonna wrap these up so I do not have to wash them until I need them next time. I can still feel a little tiny little divot there, so I'm gonna go over it with a second coat. I'd like to do thin coats because I figure it just dries nicer. I don't know. Even though I'm very impatient and like it dry within seconds, but ooh, love it. Help if I screwed it in the right way. There we go, screw it in, let's do this. This is the part that I'm not a fan of, all the prep work, but pays in the long run.